Hi folks, we're back with our mobile cart and we made some changes, some modifications with this. Oh, I should fix that. So we're gonna go to my level one view. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. It helps me out a lot. I'm trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. So everything, everything you do can help. So here I'm gonna go to level one. And this is what we did from the last. So what I did, I want to make this into two parts. This piece and this piece. So that's just a design change. So they can actually take this in two pieces, this one and that one. And if I dimension this, let's see. We're looking at from that opening to there. I'll probably make that about 4 feet. So that's probably going to be okay. Yeah, because we want to make this easy as possible. Okay. Anyway, so we can adjust this to anything we want. They can add or subtract or whatever. So now what happens from this point on, we got our plan drawing here. We probably need to create that drawing. So I'm going to level here. Right click, I'm going to duplicate this. I guess I can go with yeah, I can go with detailing. I can keep that stuff. So here, and then I want to go into hidden line here. I don't need to show any material. So this is basically the drawing that we're going to use to generate our working drawings and our details and how you want to build this thing specifically. Okay, so now first things first, we've got our layout here. And we're going to break this open here and here. So now we need to mention this out. I'm going to go and just go from here to here. We've got whatever they want. Okay, should have liked that to be 20 feet, but that's okay. Actually, we don't want a dimension there. We want to hit the actual, yeah, that guy. After that, I want to go from that end to that end. So we just need a good detailed drawing. Okay, we got 22 from edge to edge. Okay, and the column is the column. We can deal with that, but that's the overall length from that way, and then from this direction, we want to measure from here to here. Actually, 611. So we might make that just actually 6. Okay. And then here to here should be the same, I think. Okay, well we can adjust that because this is going to be a piece. So let's just from this point on, let's just measure this from here to here. So we only need minimum dimensions here because we'll pick all this stuff up in our details. See, that's like, might want to, I'll leave it there for now. And plus we got to adjust our new units. So there's basically we've got a 13 by 20 portable deck. And then we can go in here and do some more detailing and dimensions. This probably got to be our most. And now we can pick these up either in the, let's just grab as much as we can here. I'm going to go into my units. I don't really have to have anything this tight or just, let me see, what's the length here? Check this guy. Yeah, we want to go to like 1/4 of an inch for this. So it has to be, well, it has to be exact, but for this, let's do 1/4 of an inch. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, that's much better. And then these are going to be adjustable because we're in two pieces. Okay, so now what we'll do is we need to do the interior, and we need to think about a drawing or where we're going to lay this out. But for now, let's get our views in order. So we've got our elevations. We're going to north and south, east and west. So I'm going to grab one of these sheets here, if I can find it. Do I have any sheets here? Well, we can worry about sheets later. Just get our views and everything in place, and we can drag them and drop them. So this is basically going to be our north elevation, that north view. And then we're going to have our other views, our east and our west. But let's go back to our level 1 here. That's our original layout, what we're going to do. And this is our, I'm going to call this, I need to rename this. I'm sorry, folks, I didn't do that. I got to rename stuff, but it's good. Rename this to plan drawing, or just floor plan. Yep. Click OK there. Now, so this is our floor plan drawing. It doesn't have to be fancy or anything. We want to put all of our information here as far as sections, details, elevations, and what have you. So now we have that done, and then yeah, we do probably need to grab a sheet, because I'm going to try to get through this real quick as possible, because this is pretty simple. This is kind of practice for me, actually. Trying to get a job doing this. But anyway, okay. This is our floor plan here. Now, what I need is to find a sheet. I need to get my browser in order. So here's our sheet. So I'm going to just select sheets, and I'm going to go new sheet. And I don't know what that is. So I'm just going to say okay. Nope. I don't want to use that. Maybe not. So go back. I got my own sheet, so I'm going to go. Yeah, I can use that one for now. But anyway, I'll worry about that later. So at this point, we've got our plan view, we got our elevations, and then we want to do the interiors. So to do the interiors is simply go to the View tab, and you have elevation here, and just drop this guy right here, dead center, just like we would do a kitchen. We can set him right on top of the table. We can pick the table up in another view, and we're going to cancel that, and we're going to select tick mark on each of these little boxes here. So what we have done, we generated a view of each of these elevations, and they're placed here in the project browser. So if I go select A1A, there it is. We might want to change the scale here to, I don't know, but for now that's 1A. There's 1B. And we might want to change the detail view to fine. So you get me, okay. So anyway, this is basically the architectural setting this project up. So I'm going to go back to level 1. Nope, I'm sorry. The floor plan here. And then we got our exterior elevations, and we got our interior elevations. So we got everything we need to go. So it's probably wise if we use a sheet. So I'm going to stick this Autodesk sheet and put this on it. So I'm going to go here to my sheets, go new sheets, see if I can load one. Nope, I don't have one locally close, so I'm going to use the Autodesk one and go OK. Yep, and then that's my sheet. So now we got options here. What we're going to do with the sheet, since we got it there, we're going to keep moving on, because I'll tell you what, let's just drop our floor plan on this sheet for now. And I want to bring this scale up, so we can right click, activate view, or go into properties. I'm sorry, yeah, and properties, and make this That must be an awfully big sheet. Make this 1/2 inch. See what we get. Well, maybe 3/4. Yeah, it's just a kitchen actually, so we gotta be. We can probably get all this on one sheet. If we go a 3/4 of an inch, actually can go 1 to 1, man, 1 to 12, which would be good. Yeah, that must be an awfully big sheet on that paper. So I'm gonna drag. So now here we get issues like this. We can crop this view so we don't have to see kiosks and everything. So what we'll do is go here, select this, and where is it? Okay. I'm going to cancel out of this command. I'm going to select this. Okay. Now here in the right hand corner, let me activate this view. Let me wait a second. Oh, here we go. I'm going to turn these guys on. I want to select them. I want to crop this view right around the plan view. I don't need to see all of that stuff. And drop it right there. And just drag this on here. So this is basically going to be our first sheet in the whole lot of sheets. I'm going to drag it. Oh, come on, man. Woo. Take this guy here and just drag and drop it up here. So we'll know we've got a plan drawn working with what we got going here on this layout. So this is our plan. Okay, now, and we've got our layout, what we want to do here. So next we want to do is go in and create our elevation sections and details. So here we want to go back to the floor plan drawing here. And for instance, we want to probably do another sheet here. Wow, that's an awfully big sheet. Probably gonna leave it there, folks, because I don't. Well, let's keep going. Let's see. I'm gonna do an elevation view. We'll need to see all 4 elevations, and that will be way down here. No, I should organize my browser. My goodness. Okay. Oh, I'm in the sheet view. My bad. Sorry, guys. It's a bit late. So we've got our basically got a layout for our plan for the kitchen here, for the mobile cart. I'm sorry, and then we've got interior elevations here. Okay, so now we've got our sheet going here. We got 2 sheets here, so let's drag another sheet. Let's get the elevations going here. So we got the north, we got the east. And we'll change the elevation here to 3/4. Or let's see where we got it. There you go. So you know how to do this. We've got this. Go here. We can just select this guy. Okay. And just move this here and crop the view like we did before. I don't know why I don't see it. Okay, wait a minute. Oh. Don't want that. So anyway, I'm going to leave it there and finish this up. Because basically what's going to happen here is this. Let me go back here and just show you this. Don't forget about these elevations. We know how to do that. So we're going to go here and just take a look here. We can drop a section through here or whatever to get those views and everything. and let's worry about the sheets later. So let's just focus on our view. So we've got our 4 exterior elevations, which is north, south, east, and west. And then we're going inside in here. We've got this one and the other 4 elevations. So now the next thing we want to do is go into our level 1 or our floor plan drawing here. And say we want to drop a section through here. We go here, view section. This is basically all you have to do. Well, actually, you want to do an overall section like going this way to capture everything in each section. You really need to do this. So we got a section here, and we're going to go open that section up. So that's that section, and then we'll go to the floor plan again, and we want to do a section going in the other direction. Just a full cross section through here. And we can adjust this to put this anywhere we want, but we probably want to focus on the casework here. So there we got it. So we've got our 2 sections, which is this one. Okay, you probably want to see the columns in there. So let's go back to the floor plan view. Oh yeah, absolutely. Let's just move this up to here. Probably won't worry about the sheets right now because they're too big. We'll do this all in 11 by 17 actually. So there's our section through there, and then I'm going to go back to my level 1. I'm sorry. My floor plan. So we got our floor plan going here, and I'm going to probably leave it there, and then we'll look at details next. So we've got basically our layout. We changed it around, and then we're going to go out and look at creating more drawings. We've got our one plan drawing kind of going here, but we need others. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Helps me make videos like this all the time, and everybody be safe and bye. Take care, and y'all please be safe. Bye.